Hi, my name is Elvis Ojefu, CEO of Romset Technologies, promoter of the Gasman Ng project powered by Romgas Petroleum Limited. Gasman Ng is an LPG, CNG, LNG refining and distribution project that was conceived in March 2019 to service customers who want to order gas refills from the comfort of their homes or office or point of use to enable them get it within 45 minutes. This led us to test our value proposition to see how it logistically fits into the Nigerian context. And at the end of that value proposition testing, which ran us through to September 2019, we discovered and learned a lot, which enabled us to put together a very robust and insightful yet futuristic but realistic business plan. So we set out, having understood the market, we realized that we needed to have some physical infrastructural investments into the LPG CNG space to enable us carry out our primary objective, which is to provide home delivery of gas. And by so doing, after preparing that, we needed capital to execute our business plan, and we set out to raise capital, which we have been on ever since. In the process, we incorporated the company Romgas Petroleum Limited, which will execute this business plan with. Ever since, we have also received interests from debt capital funders from across the globe who are interested in funding this project, but require a minimal equity investment, so to speak, from us, the sponsors. This has led us to continuously search for investors who will help us satisfy those requirements to enable us kickstart the project. Currently, we have offers. We have 3 standing offers as of today, waiting for us to satisfy the basics, which is to provide at least one refill plant out of the 27 we have proposed to have according to our business plan. Our competitive advantage then and even now even more visible, is the inclusion of an auto gas refill and conversion section in our gas plants. At the time, currently, LPG producers can only service 43% of the total annual demand in Nigeria. We still import 57% of our consumption, and with this project, by the end of year 4, we project that we will be into production and further decrease this margin. Our business model has been tested at our local level and found to be very profitable and good enough for investments. Currently, we have a standing offer for a seed capital of $1 million. However, to satisfy it, we need to have at least one gas plant that will run and gain traction. To build and construct this gas plant will take us 6 months, under which it will be fully completed and be in operations. Between 2019 and today, we have missed 2 great opportunities that would have made the Gasman Ng a market leader by as of today. First was the COVID-19 lockdown, where everyone was indoors and demand for cooking gas went over the roof as everyone was indoors and they needed to eat more food, so to speak. The second opportunity came with the permanent removal of subsidy from petrol, which is PMS, in May 29, and we all can see the effects as Nigerians on the economy. Had Gasman Ng be funded all this time, we will have in every major city, in every major settlement rather, that's our vision, a gas plant already fitted with an auto gas service point, ready to convert vehicles and generators to the use of LPG or CNG, which is way cheaper. At least it will save you 60% rather of the costs you currently expend on petrol without subsidy. We are asking Nigerians to support us to satisfy this requirement, which requires us to have one gas plant to gain traction to enable us receive this debt capital of $1 million. To satisfy that requirement, we need to raise and execute. We need to raise $150,000. We are offering Nigerians who will back us on this project 20% annual return on investment as interest for a 12-month term investment, 1 year. We are asking for this investment to enable us build our first 20 metric ton refill plant and also begin to gain traction that will enable us get the 1 million debt capital which we have been offered at 3% annual interest. We appeal to Nigerians to give us the needed backing to enable us proceed and execute this wonderful business plan that will make the cost of living and cost of energy generally drop to affordable levels in Nigeria and also provide good return on investment for those who will give us backing. LPG is a cooking fuel consumed daily, which is cooking gas. Currently, because of the removal of subsidy, it is now being considered as auto gas for use in generators and cars. Even without the debt capital funding, our business plan and financial forecast suggests that we can conveniently pay back our promised 20% annual interest plus capital back to our investors, and those who may wish to further reinvest their capital may do so, which we shall reinvest into the business to replicate more stations and refill terminals. We hope that Nigerians will consider this wonderful plan and give us an opportunity to enter into the oil and gas sector and also provide affordable, quality, and safe energy for Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you. You may contact us through the email and numbers on your screen. We are available on WhatsApp. You can send us DM and request for our financial forecast and business executive summary.